Hey guys, this is Andy from Mobile Must Have, and in this video we're going to go over our campground filtration solutions from Blue Technology. Now in this video I'm focusing on campground water filtration systems. I'm using campground loosely. This could be your house. It's basically any like pressurized water source coming in or through your filter. So it's going to be flowing through some spigot, and that's where these solutions kick in. There are other options that are going to be onboard water, so one that is in line. Let's say if you want to build it into your plumbing. There's also some that have integrated pumps for more off-grid water filtration. I'll link those videos here, and there's a full playlist for our water filtration solutions here at Mobile Must Have. Now we're going to break this video down into kind of three main groupings. First, we're going to talk about the difference of housings. Then we're going to talk about the different filters and what they all mean and the difference between 2- and 3-stage filters. And of course, talk about the 0.2 micron filter, which this whole solution is made around. And then end with my favorite feature, which is the R-Connect system as an RVer. Now let's dive into the filter housings. You can see there's two main different types of units I have here with me. This is not their only ones, this is just what I have on board and can show you kind of as demo units. We'll first start with this one. This physical unit is called the R2, but it does come in a 3-stage filter configuration too. What's great about this one is it's really, really lightweight. It's 3D printed plastic with aluminum framing, and then you have your stainless steel filter housings. So everything that touches the water itself is going to be stainless steel, minus the filters themselves. But it's a really, really great option. Super lightweight, very compact overall. And again, you can get this in the 2-stage or the 3-stage option. This is the one I have currently on my RV, and this is the MR3. This right now is only available in the 3-stage. However, in the future, we're hoping to get a 2-stage of this, but right now it's just a 3-stage. And this one is all stainless steel. So it's gonna be a bit heavier, but it's a bit smaller. This also has mounting where you can just kind of mount it on a rack if you wanted to store it that way. Or if you wanted to build it into your system, you could do that with this one if you wanted to. Again, with this one, everything that touches water is stainless steel. They both use the Quick Connect system or the R-Connect system, so very, very easy to work with. You have the same filter housings on both of them. Like I said, everything is stainless steel, but that's really the difference between the two filter housings. So you're gonna have a light, kind of really nice, compact one. This one's gonna be all stainless steel, looks really sharp, especially next to the stainless steel water softener. A little bit more compact, but it's a little bit heavier. So whichever unit you think is kind of the right fit for you, they both have a lot of good options for them. Now let's move into filters. So between your 2- and 3-stage, they're going to be using very similar filters. The main difference in the 3-stage is you're going to have your first stage is going to be a sediment filter. This is designed to pull out bigger particles like dirt and sand that are larger, and it's going to extend the rest of the life of the other 2 filters, which are the same now for the rest of these 2 units. The second filter is going to be a taste filter, and that is designed to basically make the water taste and smell better. It's focusing on removing chlorine, and it's using a charcoal coconut filter to do that. And then the final one is going to be your safety filter. This is a 0.2 micron filter. And I'm going to put up a quick graphic here. It's the best way to explain this as far as what this is going to be taking out. So if you see at the top, you're going to see big human hair. It's super gross. But then it's going to get progressively smaller as it goes down that page. Again, the filter we're looking at is a 0.2 micron filter. So if you start at the top after the human hair, you've got sand, you've got some dirt up there. It's going to progressively get smaller. You're going to see pollen midway down. Then you're going to continue to go down. You're going to see like wildfire smoke particles that are going to be in there. Then you're getting down to really small things like bacteria and viruses, all bigger than 0.2 microns. So this filter is taking out a ton of stuff that we really don't want in our water, and really great to have on board. Now these filters are all considered high flow rate filters, so you are not going to be reducing your flow to an unusable rate. We shower with this on. Every ounce of water that goes through our RV is being passed through these filters, and we have not noticed a difference in our water flow whatsoever. So even though they're small and super compact, we're still getting that really high flow rate we need for our daily lives. Now there's one different thing with the filter we want to talk about. We actually have 2 options for our safety filter. There's going to be the standard filter, and then there's going to be the off-grid filter. The off-grid filter is going to come standard with all the off-grid filters, filter housings that is. So that's going to be like your MRX, and we'll link that video here. But these are a great option. They are both rated for 0.2 micron, but this is just going to be your standard filter, and this one is your off-grid filter. This one's been third-party tested. This one's been certified and has all of kind of that testing done from the manufacturing. Both are available in a dual kind of reload pack if you want to reload your filters, or the triple kind of trio pack here. So if you'd like the standard filter or you would like the off-grid filter, they are both options to buy. Now let's talk about my absolute favorite feature, which is the R-Connect or Quick Connect system that comes with all of these Blue Tech filter housings. Now I'm showing you the housings, but all of the accessories, hoses, everything in this kind of ecosystem of water is going to use this system, which is what makes your setup revolutionary with this kind of filter system. So a quick overview of what the R-Connect system is. It is a high-end, heavy-duty quick connect. I'll show you right here in front of me. This is going to be my MR3, and this is the auxiliary hose they give us. And you push it in and it snaps in and you're done. No twisting, no turning. It is about 50 degrees where I am, and now my hands are cold. Turning kind of a spigot in would be painful, and now it's just so easy to get in and out. I have used this exact filter housing for over a year with the R-Connect systems, never had a leak. They're super heavy duty, very high end. And what it's done for me in my setup is I can now get set up in about 2 minutes. That is including all my accessories, my water softener, the water filter, and connecting that into my RV. So it's about 4 hoses. Yeah, 4 hoses in that particular system. And it just makes it super simple, and I'm not sitting there threading, dealing with leaks and trying to replace O-rings all the time. It has really solved and just made that process so simple. What's great about it too is you can get these 5-foot hoses that just make connecting everything really easy, and they're the perfect size to go from, either your filter to the water softener, or from the filter directly into your water bay. You can see here that just sits on the floor there. The R-Connect system for me is absolutely my favorite part of the whole system, just because it makes it so easy. Now there's a safety aspect of it too, very important. But then from a setup standpoint, this is just what sells it for me, is just having this easeability of doing all these quick connect systems into itself and a quick, easy setup. Here is just a kind of quick time lapse of me setting up my particular unit. Basically, the only time you have to ever screw something in is to the water source itself. So I do that with my Y connector. It already has the quick connect on it for my high flow pressure regulator, also an accessory from Blue Technology. I then connect my hose, and then at the other side, now my water bay, we're gonna do my 0G hose into the water filter itself. From the water filter into the softener. The softener, then up into the RV, and we're done. Couldn't be easier than that. Only had to twist on one hose to get this whole system working. Now at Mobile Must Have, what I'm really excited we're able to do is put together a water bundle for you. So if you're interested in these, and that's great, but you don't have accessories to buy or what else you need to get it to actually be installed or working with your particular RV, our bundle is a great option. The bundle is designed so if you have bought your RV today and you have nothing to start with, you can get our bundle shipped to you, and it has everything you need to get basically from the water source at your campground all the way to inside your RV. It's got all the hoses, it's got the filters, it's got everything you need to get started. So you can check out those bundles. I will link them in the description or up here, depending on how you're watching this particular video. Now, I know this was a lot to go over, so there's a couple ways you can reach out to us if you do have any questions. You can always email us here at info@mobilemusthave.com, and we'll be happy to email you back. You can chat with a live representative, a full human, on our website, and you can hit chat at the bottom right-hand corner. And now you can set up a consultation and kind of a scheduled callback time where you can talk to an expert on our team, and that can be about any product, not just the water filters and bundles today, but if you have questions on internet or fire or our tire pressure systems, you can talk to somebody and get any information that you need from one of our experts on our team. Now, my last comment is going to be a great resource if you're looking to save some money and get some discounts on products. If you are a member of Mobile Must Have, you not only get discounts on hardware, but you can also get discounts on monthly data plans. You get faster shipping, you get access to more educational material. There is a lot that members get, not just that, there's a lot more. And so that might be something worth looking at too. Usually within your first purchase or two, that membership completely pays for itself and you get all these additional benefits. So definitely worth looking at. You can learn more at membership.mobilemusthave.com, and I'll leave that down here below too. All right, guys, as always, I hope to see you on the road. Bye.